Here's a scary truth. Most drivers have no idea their engine is silently dying, and it all starts with a tiny $20 part you've probably never heard of. I'm talking about the PCV valve. Ignore it, and it can destroy your engine, drain your wallet, and leave you stranded when you least expect it. Stick with me, because today I'm showing you the 15 warning signs your PCV valve is failing. Some are subtle, some are catastrophic, but catching them early can save you thousands. Before we dive in, let's get clear on what this little valve actually does. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. It recycles harmful gases from your engine back into the intake, keeping pressure in check and your engine running clean and efficient. When it fails, the chaos starts quietly, but the consequences are brutal. Let's start with the subtle signs that most drivers completely miss. Symptom 1. Rough idle. You're stopped at a light, your engine shudders instead of humming smoothly. That tiny valve is throwing off your air-fuel mix. Most people blame spark plugs or injectors, but the PCV valve could be the silent culprit. Left unchecked, that vibration stresses mounts, belts, and components you didn't even know could fail. Symptom 2. Engine misfires. Jerks, stumbles, uneven acceleration. Suddenly your car feels unpredictable. Every misfire sends unburned fuel into the exhaust, overheating your catalytic converter. Repair? Easily $1,000 or more. Symptom 3. Oil leaks. Trapped pressure inside the crankcase forces oil past seals and gaskets. You'll see spots on your driveway, or worse, oil burning on hot engine parts. Replacing gaskets won't fix it if the valve is still blocked. Symptom 4. Sludge buildup. Oil and vapors mix inside the engine, forming thick sludge that clogs lifters, timing components, and passages. Fixing this? Often a full teardown, costing more than some cars. Symptom 5. Poor acceleration. Your pedal press feels like pushing through molasses. Failing PCV valves disrupt the air-fuel balance, stressing your transmission and sensors. The car struggles under load, and one day it could stop entirely, right in the middle of traffic. Now that you're getting the hang of the warning signs, here's where it gets more dangerous. Symptom 6. Engine stalling. Sudden vacuum leaks leave your engine gasping, risking your brakes and power steering. Restarting doesn't fix the root problem, and the damage is quietly piling up inside your oil pan. Symptom 7. Increased oil consumption. No puddles, no leaks, just a mysteriously low dipstick. Bad PCV valves burn oil inside the cylinders, leaving carbon deposits that silently destroy pistons, valves, and spark plugs. Symptom 8. Hissing or whistling noises. That mysterious engine hiss? Unmetered air disrupting your engine's balance. Ignore it, and your ECU will start throwing codes, confusing sensors, and triggering costly repairs. Symptom 9. Check engine light. Codes like lean condition or random misfire often point straight to the PCV system. Replace sensors or coils without fixing the valve, and you're pouring money down the drain. Symptom 10. Black, oily deposits that stop plugs from firing cleanly. Misfires increase, coil life shortens, and fuel gets wasted. Temporary fixes won't stop the cycle. Symptom 11. Poor fuel economy. Every tank feels shorter. Your engine burns fuel inefficiently, sometimes rich, sometimes lean. Either way, you're losing money and performance, plus higher emissions risk. Symptom 12. Unstable idling. RPMs bounce unpredictably, engine surges, stops, and hunts for balance. Sensors like the idle air control valve and math get worn down faster, creating even more hidden problems. Symptom 13. Difficulty starting. Cranking takes longer, especially in cold weather. Oil vapors flood the intake, stressing the starter and battery until failure feels inevitable. Symptom 14. White smoke from the exhaust. Thick, bluish clouds mean oil is burning in the cylinders. Catalytic converters clog, emissions fail, and your engine is quietly screaming for help. Symptom 15. Oil in intake tracks. This is the ultimate red flag. Oil coats hoses, throttle bodies, and manifolds, reducing airflow, gunking up sensors and accelerating wear on pistons, valves, and even turbos. Left unchecked, a $20 valve could cost you $4,000 or more. Here's the takeaway. From subtle warning signs to catastrophic failures, catching a PCV valve problem early is one of the cheapest ways to protect your engine. Ignoring it? That's an invitation for disaster. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button now. Subscribe for more mechanic-level insights, because the next tip could save your engine and your wallet. Drop a comment below. Which of these symptoms have you noticed in your car? Don't wait for a repair bill to force your hand. Check your PCV valve today. Your engine and your future self will thank you.